A power plant construction site is a challenging environment. In this quest for site safety and project cost and schedule efficiency, Alstom is leading the way with modular design and construction methods. As an experienced turnkey EPC contractor and OEM, Alstom has developed the Modular Power Island offering. A significant number of the Power Island elements are supplied as modules to facilitate easy installation as part of full turnkey or by other EPC contractors or consortium partners. It's a portfolio of proven, engineered and prefabricated plant modules. Modules are built and tested in state-of-the-art facilities. Customers benefit from the transfer of work away from site to the more controlled and stable environment of a factory, thus improving quality, EHS and productivity. In addition, better cost control and a more robust schedule are achieved. Fully assembled modules are delivered just in time to the final on-site location for easy integration. And with Alstom's Modular Power Island, project targets and performance figures are covered by overall guarantees. The benefits of Modular Power Island have been clearly demonstrated in power plants all over the world. And to meet today's market and customer needs, we continue to expand the scope of our Modular Power Island offering. Alstom, complete solutions for gas power.